You were not born to crawl through life with your head down. You were not created to shrink every time pressure shows up. There is something inside you that life has been trying to bury. But listen to me carefully. Buried does not mean dead. Hidden does not mean weak. Silent does not mean defeated. There is a lion inside you that has been waiting for one command. Rise. You have been hit. You have been doubted. You have been overlooked. People saw your quiet season and thought you had nothing left. But they made one mistake. They judged you while you were still becoming. They looked at the mud and forgot that strength is built in pressure. They looked at the silence and forgot that lions do not roar to impress sheep. They roar because the kingdom inside them has awakened. You do not need permission to become powerful. You do not need applause to keep going. You do not need everyone to understand your hunger, because the strongest people are not built in comfort. They are built in the nights nobody saw. They are built in the pain nobody clapped for. They are built in the moments where quitting looked easier. But something deep inside said, no, not today. Look at a lion. A lion does not wake up asking the jungle if it is allowed to be strong. A lion does not compare itself to the noise around it. It moves with certainty. It walks like it knows what is inside its chest. And that is what you must remember. Your strength is not missing. It is sleeping. Your courage is not gone. It is waiting for you to stop negotiating with fear. Stop speaking like you are finished. Stop walking like you are powerless. Stop letting yesterday write the ending of your story. You survived things that were supposed to break you. You carried weight that would have crushed others. You kept moving when your heart was tired. That is not weakness. That is proof. Proof that there is more in you than you have been using. Proof that your ability is bigger than your fear. Proof that the fire inside you did not go out. It was only gathering heat. So now, stand different, breathe different, think different. When pressure comes, do not panic. Pressure is not there to destroy you. Pressure is there to reveal what you are made of. Diamonds do not complain about pressure. Eagles do not fear height, and lions do not run from noise. They become the sound that changes the atmosphere. You are not ordinary, but you will live ordinary if you keep waiting to feel ready. Readiness is not a feeling. It is a decision. Confidence is not something you find. It is something you build every time you refuse to give up. One more step, one more rep, one more prayer, one more day where you refuse to bow to the voice that says, you cannot. The world does not need the small version of you. Your family does not need the fearful version of you. Your future does not need the tired excuses. Your future needs the lion. The one who gets back up. The one who keeps walking. The one who takes the pain and turns it into power. The one who stops asking, what if I fail? And starts saying, what if I rise? Because when you finally wake up to who you are, everything changes.
Your walk changes.
Your walk changes.
Your voice changes.
Your decisions change.
You stop begging for strength.
And you start moving like strength was inside you all along. So lift your head.
Square your shoulders.
Put fire back in your eyes.
You are not done.
You are not done.
You are not weak.
You are not behind.
You are being formed.
And when the lion in you wakes up, fear that chased you yesterday will run from you tomorrow. Now breathe, stand, move, without saying a word, and show life that you are still here.